morning. My name's Mick Cox from Riviera Farms. I'm the production manager here. We've been farming since the late 1800s in this Lindenow Valley area. It's a 5th generation farm now. We farm close to 2,000 hectares. Spinach, rocket, lettuce, broccoli, pumpkins, things like that. Weed control's always been a massive issue for us, probably because we're so intense. There's such a fast turnaround in crops. When we saw the LaserWeeder in action, we knew that it could solve a lot of our problems with weeds. We noticed an improvement in crop health not long after we started using the LaserWeeder, mainly due to us stopping to use the chemicals that we would previously apply to crops after transplanting. The LaserWeeder has come in and taken over those chemicals, which is great for us, great for our soil health, great for the crops, and yeah, 100% I think the crop health has improved, the yield has improved, the chemical usage is down by 70%. Prior to getting the LaserWeeder, we had 6 people hand weeding on a daily basis on the farm, and in the last 10 years, I think the minimum horticultural wage has gone up by 30%. It's a massive cost saving for us. Now we've got a manager that's looking after 1 LaserWeeder instead of 6 people. There's so many variables there, but the LaserWeeder is a real winner in getting rid of that labour cost for us. There was times prior to having the LaserWeeder where we would have a crop of lettuce or spinach or rocket that was just too weedy to even hand harvest, and we would walk past that crop. So nowadays we don't have that issue because of the LaserWeeder. So we see that as a big yield increase for us. We're not going past crops that are too weedy. We have our own nursery where we grow our own lettuce seedlings, and we've always transplanted seedlings for lettuce, but now we're looking at different ways to go in and direct seed that lettuce. Before we couldn't because of the weeds, and the transplant had a head start over the weeds. But with the LaserWeeder now, we're looking at ways to direct seed the lettuce and just take out the costs from the nurseries. It's very easy to switch between crops, so our operators will be in a field of rocket and then they can switch to spinach, and it takes 10 minutes. A few push the button and change it over. Yeah, working with the carbon team's been great from the very outset. The driver can speak directly to support in the US, and they're there 24 hours a day. Even the implementation, when we first received the machine, there was 5 carbon guys here that got the machine into the field, and we were operating within 24 hours of delivery. It's been really great. I commend the carbon guys for their prompt and service. Whenever we've had a breakdown, the guys have come straight away and fixed it up. So yeah, 100%, no issues with the carbon guys. It's been great.